sorry to break into your regular scheduled programming. We are breaking in to give you guys a severe weather and tropical weather update. And yes, hurricane season is nearby. Hurricane season is coming. And I need you guys to get yourself ready for what could be a good situation of hurricanes. But hurricanes are devastating and horrible. Which is why when you listen to what your governor and everything else has to say about the situation, and they need you to evacuate, you do so. Because it's totally not safe. I mean, seriously. But welcome to another live stream, everybody. This is special coverage. And so today we have a slight risk of severe weather for portions of Kansas. Slight risk for portions of Kansas and Nebraska here. So this includes places like areas. This includes areas in Hayes. This includes that city, Jetmore, over to Dodge City to Greensburg, and other areas. Tomorrow's risk is higher. The risk for tomorrow is an enhanced level 3 out of 5. Includes Springfield, Fort Smith, Arkansas, Fayetteville. The enhanced risk also includes near Poplar Bluff, Mountain Home. This could get expanded to include much of East Arkansas. We'll see. Tropical weather-wise, there is a potential for something to develop in the we're monitoring a potential for a tropical system to develop somewhere over here. AccuWeather is talking about that right now. It's really concerning. It could be it will be a first tropical system of the season. So that's an exciting situation. Let's load the 5-day formation outlook, because that tells us the chance of a formation. That should show that up right now, but that will probably change here. Let's see. So let's show let's check it. So let's do the SPC. Let's turn off the SPC outlooks, and right now we have severe thunderstorm warnings out in Michigan. Michigan. It's where this is all occurring in, and we got a severe thunderstorm warning near Dundee and Metamora. And that's not in Detroit, but we will have to monitor the situation for some sort of development that could lead to that scenario. But basically, that's what's going on there. So let me zoom in real quick and find the radar site here in Detroit. I don't see a radar site in Detroit. I don't know what. I don't know why there's no radar site popping. Let's find KDLH. Stick with me here. Okay, we're going to Detroit's radar. We're going over to Detroit here. Detroit's radar. And that's where we're going to be tracking all the storms that are currently going down. New special weather statement including Walson and areas near Delta and Delta Archbold. This storm is around Interstate 90. So if you live in that special weather statement, you need to be very cautious. Special weather statement including Walson and areas near Delta and Delta Archbold. This storm is around Interstate 90. Ain't that not cool? Be very cautious. Ain't that not cool? My radar data will not load. Of course it won't. This is just wonderful. My radar data will not load. Of course it won't. Hold on. Let me switch to KDOH. This is just WS for free. I am telling you right now. Don't you start with me. Don't you do this to me, radar. Do not mess up like this. Oh my good God. Yeah, there's something wrong with this. I can't load the radar. Let's go to a different radar here. I think Louisville. Go over to Louisville. Let's go to Louisville. Let's go check out Louisville. 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 So it shows an area of strong storms in Louisville Metro here. So thunder and lightning is possible with these storms. And heavy rainfall is also possible with these storms. So if you are in Louisville, you're probably hearing rumbles of thunder. That is certainly possible. And maybe rain too. But we have an active severe thunderstorm warning out here that is in effect for Lawrence County. It's for Lawrence County. This is for Lawrence County. Let's go check out the velocity on this. And there's no circulation with this storm, but some strong winds, maybe 40 to 50 mile winds or higher, is with the storm. Are possible. And if you want critical weather information, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and it would really mean a lot. But right now we have a special weather statement including near Louisville right now, that is going towards Louisville, looks like. So if we zoom in the street level, if we can. We can zoom in the street level here. So Interstate 65, Interstate 71, and also if we go down here, Interstate 264, that's where this will impact. scan here. So just did a new scan for us here, and it shows that this storm is still there, and it still has some little hail cores inside it. So that's what's going on there. But right now we don't have any severe weather taking place other than a few severe thunderstorm warnings. But we do want to give you guys, I do want to give you guys a tropical weather alert of a tropical system that may develop. May develop. There's going to be a tropical system possibly developing near the Gulf Coast here. So if I go down there and show y'all what I'm talking about, so it should develop. That should happen. If it's going to develop, it's going to be right in this area with warm waters, and it will be warm. It will be warm water. So that's something where we could be concerned about. Right here is where it will develop. But new severe thunderstorm warning has been issued. Let's go to that storm here. Switch radars. Let's go to that storm up out there that was just issued. Let's go there. So this is for 60-mile-an-hour winds and 1-inch hail. This is going to be near Blaine. So this storm is for 1-inch hail and 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. And this storm is moving. This is a slow-moving storm. This is a slow-moving storm moving east at 15 miles per hour, moving to the east at about 15 miles per hour. Blaine at 2:54 p.m. It is currently 2 o'clock. So you have about you have almost an hour. You have almost an hour in Blaine if you live in Blaine to get ready for the storm as it rolls into your area, your general vicinity. If you're in any severe weather affected areas, watch out. Okay, so that's what's going on there. So, but right now we have lots of storms firing up in Ohio, Indiana, Kentucky, West Virginia, into North Carolina, parts of east and central Tennessee. So there's storms firing up all around the U.S. And right now, this severe storm right here near the storm that's going towards Blaine very slowly, east at 15, like I said. You will need to watch out. It's going to be pretty great. It's going to be one heck of a storm here. So if you are there's also a threat for flooding today. Let me tell you, flooding. The flood threat does exist. So, flooding is something really concerning. Flooding is kind of concerning right now. And let me show you guys the watch 5%. So here's QPF. That's the rain outlook. Oh, let me turn that off. Hello, Youngstown. And let me show you guys the watch 5%. We have a new severe thunderstorm warning issued. That is. Let's go look at that. That's Indianapolis. Indianapolis Metro. Awkward. Hello, Corbin. We are currently tracking severe weather. Corbin? Let's see what's going on with that. Because that could do something here. No, it's just a little hail and rain producer. Maybe a wind producer as well. Marginal doesn't get watches. No, but Slight can. Slight can get watches. Slight does get watches. Right here, this area gets a slight. So the slight risk that's issued today for severe weather. That's that slight risk can get. Maybe Plains will see SVA. We'll see. We'll see what happens. So this is the area that we're watching here. We are currently live tracking severe weather as we get into later on into the day. So this storm right here is moving east at 10. It's moving south at 10 miles per hour. That is a slow moving storm. Moving south at 10 miles per hour. That is a slow moving thunderstorm. When you have a slow moving storm like that, that's a flooding concern right there. I'm telling you right now, there's small alerts coming out. Like, there's alerts coming out everywhere. We got a severe thunderstorm warning out in Iowa. Let's go to that real quick. So this is the storm right here that I am seeing right now on radar. Let me change the map style to something else here. Because why not? What's high ocean? Terrain performance. So here's our active severe thunderstorm warning that's in effect. This includes Portsmouth, areas near Harlan, and areas near Kirkman, and areas. This also includes areas in Irwin near Audubon. This storm is moving. Let me check the severe thunderstorm warning text. This storm is moving east at 45. So that is a fast moving storm. East at 45 miles per hour here. So east at 45. So east. So east at 45 miles per hour here. So if we put a track on this storm, 2:18 p.m. it will be in around Westphalia at around 2:18. Kirkman at around 2:27, and Audubon at around 2:50 p.m. So that's where this storm is going to affect. So if you live in those areas that I called out, you need to get ready for potentially large hail and damaging winds. So let's look at velocity to see the winds on this storm. Not that strong, only like 20 to 30 mile an hour. So the rain threat is hail with this storm. Give me a second. So we found some money for Rowan and Elliott counties and Kentucky. News of your father this morning. Let's go see where that's generally at. So that's it's right here, I think. Near. So this is near. This includes. This is for Rowan and Elliott counties. Okay, so if you are in Iowa right now, there's a storm that is heading into your general vicinity, right about here near Harlan and areas to the south and east of that. This is going towards Harlan at around 211. Camp Bolton and around 229. Audubon around 238. And Miami. So in Miami here, there was a car crash in Miami. I mean, not a car crash, a plane crash, small plane crash that occurred. 2 critically injured there. At least there wasn't any fatalities, but injuries are still bad. But critically injured is bad. It's not a good sign. Alright guys, that was a quick severe weather update.